what is up guys, my name is Oleg, this is Bond, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna do an unboxing of Zelos Swordfish. Zelos is a micro brand that I've been aware of for a long time. I've been following them for a while now, looking at their watches on Instagram, looking at reviews of the watches on YouTube, and I am a fan. I've been a fan from a distance but never got a chance to review one of their watches. Can you tell I'm excited? Anyways, let's open the box and see what this watch is really all about. We're back with another unboxing. I'm excited to share this one with you guys. I waited to review one of these watches for a long time. I've been following Zelos watches from the distance, so to speak, for a while, and now finally I get a chance to review my very first Zelos watch. So hopefully in this package, in this box, lies the Zelos Swordfish. I don't know what model exactly they sent me, what color combination. Also, these watches come with two different movements. They come with the ETA 2824. They also come with the Seiko NH35, and I don't know which one they sent me. I think they sent me the Seiko NH35, and the retail, the Seiko version is $300 US, and the ETA version is $500 or $550, I should say. And on top of that, there is also a special edition one, the one with the meteorite dial, and that one is more expensive. I think the NH35 version is like $400 and the ETA version is $650. Nevertheless, I'll link their website in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And here's the box. I gotta tell you, it's a very heavy box. It's probably the heaviest box that I unboxed so far of a single watch. Feels very nice. All right, so this is just the outer paper box, and this feels like an actual wooden box. Very impressive so far. And this part is actually why I love doing the unboxing videos, because I could just go straight for a review, unbox it by myself, not film it, but I film it and I like to do the unboxings because you get to see what, I mean, like, the same way as you would react if you received one of these watches. I mean, the whole process of unboxing, unpackaging, and of course my initial impressions. So it kind of shares that experience with you, and you can imagine what it would be like if you were opening one of these watches for the first time, because honestly I have no idea what to expect. So far, very impressed. Good wooden box. This even feels of a high quality. And of course we have this travel pouch, travel case, I guess, which is very convenient. So I like that it actually has a proper watch box, but it also has a proper travel pouch. All right, so let's start from the left and go to the right, and we're gonna do this part quickly. All right, so we have the Zelos warranty card. It's metal. Okay, very interesting. Then we have a leather strap with the Zelos stamped logo. Feels like a really good quality leather strap. A bit stiff, but it feels good. And no Zelos logo on the buckle. Okay, a bit surprising, but there is a Zelos stamp on the leather strap itself. And here's the watch. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know which color variation I received. All right. I was kind of hoping for this one. First impressions, the watch is very hefty. It feels solid, it feels big, the bracelet feels solid. Obviously it's still wrapped up in plastic, and I'll take that off in a minute or so. But all right, engineered clasp. Yeah, but I just want to experience it wrapped up as is. We have the swordfish on the case back. Solid end links. Very nice buckle here. Feels very solid, and I like how it folds in. Very cool. All right, this dial also looks amazing. Chrome guards. Okay, the best part of any watch unboxing. Oh, that just feels fantastic. All right, guys, let me unwrap all this plastic from the watch, and I'll be right back. Unwrapped all of the plastic so we can have a bit of a closer look at this watch. And I made a mistake. I apologize for that. So these watches don't come with the ETA 2824, they come with the ETA 2892. Now this watch is not ticking very loudly. If you're picking up a little bit of a tick in the background, it's my Liva chrono stop. That's what's making all that noise. So this watch in fact is very quiet. But I think I got the Seiko NH35 version, which is great because they are very reliable movements, easy to service, and they can run for a long time. Accurate. I mean, okay guys, you are familiar with these movements already. I love the design of this watch. I love that gold with black, and the dial has a bit of a grain. I'm not sure how camera is picking that up or not, but it looks really cool. Let's try the bezel action. Wow, very solid, absolutely no back play. You can even hear the solid clicks. I love this case, a lot of sharp angles, the way it's done. Obviously a signed crown, some crown guards, but the crown guards again are done in a very interesting manner. Okay, and the bracelet. Kind of reminds you of a fish scale, right? And also reminds me a little bit of those old Seiko bracelets. I have one on my vintage Seiko chronograph, and it has a similar style bracelet. Obviously this is done way better than that. These are actual solid links. I'm excited about this watch. I'm excited to do a full review for you, excited to wear it, put it through all kinds of different tests, and report back to you in the full review of my final thoughts on the watch. But so far, initial impressions are very, very positive. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Zelos Swordfish. I actually went back on their website to check if I have the ETA version or the NH35 version, and I do have the Seiko version. The main difference between the two, how you can tell which one you have, is the fact that the ETA version has a date window by 6 o'clock. This one doesn't, since I know that I got the Seiko version. Usually on this channel, I do reviews in two parts. I do the unboxing, like what we did today, and in a few weeks' time, I do a full review, give you all the pros and all the cons for each one of the watches. These watches tend to sell out very quickly. So I will say this, if you decide to purchase this watch after just watching this initial impressions and the unboxing video, usually I would say don't do it, wait for the full review. With this watch here, I feel confident enough about it, just looking at it and from the initial impressions and from holding it in my hands for a few hours handling it. I think it's a pretty damn good watch. And if you are curious and interested in Zelos watches, if you like this kind of a watch, I think you won't be disappointed, especially if you can get one for $300 with that Seiko NH35. That's just my opinion. There are no tracking codes, there are no special links. Whether you buy it or not, doesn't really make a difference to me personally, but I think it would be a shame to miss out on this watch if you are in the market for a diver watch and if you are curious and interested in Zelos watches in general. It's a pretty damn good watch, if you ask me. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this Zelos Swordfish. Are you excited for the full review? Are you gonna pick one up? Do you have any experience with other Zelos watches? Let me know in the comment section. Of course, I love reading your comments. Today on the wrist, I'm wearing my vintage Liva Chronostop. Really, really cool watch from 1960s. I will do a full review for this watch sometime in the future, so stay posted for that. Also, in the description of this video, there is a secret link. Check it out. I think you like this one. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.